Hello friends, hope you guys are doing good. Similar to the last week, this week also almost Nifty has gone up by 3% in the last week, and it is performing tremendously well. Only thing is Bank Nifty is slightly lagging behind it. Once the Bank Nifty comes similar to the Nifty, then I think we will be having a very good bull run. But currently, like yesterday, you would have noticed that RBI has updated that there is no change in the repo rate. So initially, because of the news, market went down. Bank Nifty started to crash like anything, but suddenly market realized something different. That is, there is no change, right? There is no change. It's not harm. Only if it is, if they would have increased the repo rate, then there is a problem. Since it is the same place, so they realized, and again market moved up, and that is I think it's a purely of short covering, because index was moving up, but that was not nothing movement in our stocks. So it's purely a short covering rally. Overall, it seems a good trend, but as per our ideology, we are a mindful investors. We invest only when we are comfortable to invest. Okay, coming to the today's video. Today I'm going to present some of the stocks which I am currently focusing, even though the market is at high, but few stocks which I am currently focusing and still I'm investing because of certain reasons. And few stocks I'll try to tell you about based on the technical analysis, and few with respect to fundamental. I have one more on penny stock also in the list. Let's get into that. And this is Sundar, and you're watching Mindful Finance. Okay, so now the first stock which I'm going to talk about is, everybody would have known that, but the reason behind why I'm investing on the stock is, it is nothing but Tata Motors. I started a long back and I was slowly accumulating it, and I actually started very long back. Okay, I invested around like this 30 rupees and 100 rupees kind of time, but now it has given a very good return. But and still I'm investing in this stock. The reason I'll tell you, because if you see that the pattern which is it has formed, it is like inverted head and shoulders pattern, and it is something that you see, this is the neckline, and it has broken the neckline over here. So normally the how we identify is, we get a target from here, this depth of your head, and if you keep it to the breakout line, so this is the expected target, which is almost 947 rupees. That is our target. So right now it is trading at 714. So there is a chance that it can go up till 947. So still I'm accumulating it slowly, not in a bulky way, in a bulk order or something. I'm investing in a very few over here. Okay, and if you want to try different way, if you feel this is expensive or costly or something, what you can do is you can go for Tata Motors DVR. Okay, it also follows the same pattern. I don't want to get in the detail of what Tata Motors DVR or something, but just to give you a guidance. So if you buy 10 stock of DVR, in the future there is a thing going on that you'll receive, for 10 DVR you'll get 7 Tata Motors share. So that way almost like you'll be getting like 4 to 5% of return just by that arbitrage. So that means you are getting 5% discounted price of Tata Motors. So you can accumulate Tata Motors DVR also, but the point is, buy in 10. Even though if you buy, but make sure you are buying like 10 quantities at the end of the day, like multiples of 10, so that you get a proper stocks. Otherwise, you'll get your money back as a cash to your account. Right. So this is the first stock I just want to cover. The second one is my favorite stock is this Latent View. I already made a detailed video on Latent View. You would have seen that. I made that video when it was at the level of this around, like, which is 415 or 410 rupees, which was the time it was. I mentioned that it is going to give a breakout. So that was the time I mentioned, but right now it is trading around 460, 70 rupees. Already it has given 70 rupees of profit. I actually bought something around this area, like 320. I bought around 320 area, because when it is a double bottom, when it made a double bottom, I started to accumulate, and still I'm holding it and still I'm buying it, because my assumption is the first target of this will be 548. So it can go till 548. So that is my first target. But still, I'm not going to sell this stock. There is no swing trade or something. This I'm planning to hold for long term, and I'll still accumulate its stock. So if you see, this is nicely breaking this channel, and when it hits the double top, there might be a scenario again. It may come down for some correction. So it's not a stock which is going to give you a return very quickly or something. You have to wait for it. It may take more than year, 2 year, 3 year also it's possible. But I am really confident that this company will do better. And again, guys, so I'm not a SEBI registered person. I'm giving my opinion, and I'm telling you I have invested in this stock and the reason behind why I have invested in the stock. That's it. It's purely education purpose. If you want to invest, do your own research and invest on this stock. This is my point of view. Okay, that could be right. I might be making a mistake. I might be wrong on this. So if it is wrong or something, you guys can comment on this one and tell me what is wrong. I'm always okay to listen. But this is purely my research and my analysis. At any point of time, nobody can predict the market exactly like what can happen in the future. So that is the whole concept. So so this is the second stock which I wanted to highlight. This is both fundamental. This is purely a fundamental related one. I am very confident about this particular company. It will surely going to do better in the future. So the next stock I'm going to talk about is in a pharma sector. This is why I'm picking pharma is two reasons. If you see the pharma index, it has given a good breakout. You can see like how nicely it has given a breakout. And the second reason is you would have already noticed how within a year our dollar has been, means the conversion rate, right, from dollar to INR from 70 to now it is 83. Within a short span of time, it has drastically moved very high. Right? So this dollar conversion, again, our RBI is keep on selling the dollars. I don't know like when. Not sure like how long our INR is going to hold this particular price. It may go up or something. So during that time, the dollar INR conversion itself, these companies are going to give more return. That is another point of view. So based on the pharma sector, I'm going to show two more stocks which are related to pharma. Those are fundamentally strong stocks. I'm not just talking about the technical part. Both are fundamentally strong. One is SPLA. Let me hide this one. SPLA is one of the stock I prefer. If you see exactly, pharma index has gone high, breaking this double top, but SPLA is still struggling there. The reason is there were recent some issues with the management, and that is where the problem is. But I can feel that this can do better in this one. So currently it is trading at 1219. 1219 is currently it is trading, and it is in a channel, right? I don't know like how long it can be within this channel. If it breaks the channel, as I keep on telling you, if it breaks, it will go till 1424. That is the first target. So that is the first target we can expect if it breaks this particular channel. So this is one stock from pharma. The second one is Natco Pharma. If you see Natco Pharma, so in the Natco Pharma, what you can see is like as similar to SPLA and the pharma index. Even though pharma index is doing better job, but see Natco is underperforming, and it is still not broken the high double top. It is still within that one. The reason are a lot of things, but I don't want to get into the details, the news and other stuff. But if you the technical also, if you see, it is making higher highs. See, so this is the first high, this is the second high. Similarly, if you see the lower, this is higher low, right? So it is still it is not in the downtrend, it is still in the uptrend. And I feel strongly that using the Fibonacci, the target is 100, which is 1200. It can easily reach 1200 as a first target. Then it can go till 1600. So start accumulating this stock in this area. This is the very good. If I show the volume profile of this one, you see, this is the volume profile. How exactly it is the support level. So 820 is the very big resistance for now. If you see the volume, because it is below the 820 region, right? That's where so much volume has happened. So that will become a resistance for the stock. So it has to break 820 mark. So till then we cannot expect it will go high. It is the right time to accumulate this stock. Start slowly adding this stock into a portfolio. So this is the next one. Next one, what I'm going to talk about is, it is purely my choice, okay, and it is currently in a higher price, but I'll just show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Himadri Specialty, HSCL. Actually, I started to invest when this was around this one 60 rupees or 54 rupees. So I bought at that point of time, because that was a time it was, if you see, it was accumulating for a very long time in this zone. This was a time I started to accumulate HSCL in a very huge quantity, because it was very less at that point of time. I had a very strong fundamental analysis of the stock, because it has a very diversified portfolio. They support a lot of businesses in the steel industry, tar industry, carbon related. Now they are into silicon also, chip industries also they are focusing. So that is why if you see, it has gone like anything now. But in the overall, if you see, it is actually it has broken the all-time high, which is 196, which was during the time of January 2018. So it has broken that high, and now it may slow down at this area. Okay, we may not expect the similar kind of a rise again at this point of time. It may accumulate again. Slowly it may go in this way. Okay, if I see the volume profile here, let's see the volume profile. If you see the volume profile of HSCL, you can clearly see, right, this area which is 253. So this area 253 is biggest support here. Even if it falls, it may come at 255 and it can bounce back. So you can add more at that point of time also. And if it goes, so the target could be around 350 if it breaks this particular pattern. So that is the another importance of HSCL. But this is purely, it's up to you. You go and do a research. It may fall down also, because it has currently trading very high, right? By seeing that it has given a very high rise in this one. Don't know, like similar high can happen again. But as per if I check the Fibonacci retracement thing, let me hide this one. If I check a Fibonacci retracement, this is, I see it has given a very good high. Right? Normally reaching this 161 target, which is 160 rupees itself, is a big achievement. I thought it will stop here, but it has gone till here. So anyway, this is up to you. It may take more time to accumulate at this zone and go high. I don't think you can see this similar kind of a high again. The next stock I'm going to talk about is so next one is, it's a penny stock. It's called Blue Clouds Soft Tech Solutions. If you see this stock, the reason behind why I have picked this stock is currently it is trading at 64 rupees. But the thing is, FIA is dumping their money in this particular stock a lot. They have invested very lot. DA also has increased their position, and volume also at this point of time it is a good support. Okay, I'm not recommending this to buy or anything on this spot. You do your analysis, and if you want to invest, say buy for some 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees or something, and you just forget it about. Don't think you think this is something like you spend for some pizza or something, and just ignore that part. In the future, it may give a very good return, because it's a debt-free company. There is no debt. Their revenue is very good. They are doing very good in their side. This is the next stock I just wanted to highlight. So in this video, we discussed Tata Motors DVR, and because of the pharma's trend, we picked SPLA and Natco Pharma, and then we talked about Latent View analysis. Then we discussed about HSCL, and finally we discussed a penny stock, Blue Cloud Software Tech Solutions. So these are the stocks which I analysis from my side and from my perspective. So there could be a wrong also. Please don't blame on me if it goes wrong, because market is something that we cannot predict anything. Anything can happen, right? We go with certain assumptions. Those assumptions are supposed to be very clear from your side. So if you want to invest in that, please do thorough research reach out to you any of the SEBI registered advisor and get a proper guidance and then invest on these stocks. If you like this video, please press on the like button, share it with your friends so that others also get to know about this kind of informations, and don't forget to press the notification icons so that you will get my video on time. Thank you.